Okay, so this video tutorial is going to walk us through how to create an event. So this will be published to the community calendar, something that is a great opportunity for local businesses to be able to post events at their business or however event they want to host. And we'll put that on the Gateway Mile website that people can look at. Gets a lot of traffic. It's just a great way to promote your event through the Gateway Mile website. So right here, I'm at the dashboard. So if you've watched the first two videos, you've learned how to create an account, log in, and then access this dashboard here. So what we're going to walk through right now is how to create a new event and then post it for review. So we'll add, where the event is, how much it costs, a description, a title, some photos if we want, and then be able to submit it for review. So I'll click here on Add New. And then here we are. So this is the main WordPress post creation. So if you've worked with WordPress, this is going to look familiar to you, with just a couple added features specific to the events. So here we have add new event, the title. So I'm just going to put sample event. Right here, you have the chance to just write your description. So sample description. You can describe your event. You could use some of these simple tools here. You could bold, italicize, justify. If you really want to get into it, you could add some images here, even in the description. But really, you're not going to need to because we can add images here. That's the most important image right here, your featured image. So we have our description. Now we're going to want to do our time and date. A lot of this is self-explanatory. So interactive calendars, we can set it for November 1st, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Or you can make it be an all-day event. So there won't be any time, so it'll just be all day. For location, you're going to want to, if your business isn't already on here, you're going to want to create a venue. So you could do sample venue is what I'm going to do. Right, create sample venue. Then you put your address, city, country, state, all this stuff here, website if you need. I can show you Google Maps link. So an organizer, this is where you're going to want to put your business. So I'm just going to create a new one for sample business. And then right here, create sample business. Phone, website, email, for any questions, people can contact you. You also have the ability to add multiple organizers to an event if you're partnering with another business or you want another business to be a contact. You can add that all here. Event website, you don't have to put this, but if you have a specific website for the event, then that could go here. Event cost, super simple. If it's a certain amount of dollars, you can go here, put the $sign, and then add whatever the cost is. They're not going to be able to purchase tickets through the Gateway Mile website, but at least this will give them a heads up. And then that, it's $10. You can buy tickets here at this website that we listed. Or if it doesn't cost anything, you don't have to do anything. You just leave those blank. And then it'll just hide the field. So if you want to put 0 here, it'll say that it's free. Or if you leave it blank, it'll just hide it and there won't be any pricing, it won't even talk about cost. So I'm just going to leave it blank. Everything down here you're not going to need. Go back up here. So tags, if we want to add tags, so say like fun or outdoors, what these tags are going to do is help with the search function on the website. So if someone's looking for a website that's outdoors, then since you have this tag, your event is going to show up. Event categories, you don't have to worry about this. We'll handle this on the back end, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about these. Featured image. So this is going to be the main image that shows up when people view your event. So this is important. You want to have an image that's high res. You want to have an image that looks like people are having fun. So if you have an image from past events or an image of your business, anything like that, this is going to be what people see. And a lot of times it's going to be what people use to click on. So set your featured image here, and then you just drop your file right in here. So you can just drag and drop anywhere on the screen and then click set featured image right there. Super easy. And then the image will pop up here. And then you're good. So you'll just want to take one more time just to go through, make sure everything's correct, double check all your times, your venues, everything. And then right now, you'll go over here to this publish window. So you can either save as a draft if you want to come back for later. You can preview how the event's going to look, which will just open up another window. Or you could submit for review. So this is the most important thing. Even if you preview, it's not going to submit it for review. So if you preview then exit out of everything, you're going to lose it. So this is the most important thing here. Submit for review. Right now the status is draft. So that means we're just working on it. So once you submit for review, so I'm going to submit for review here. Now the status is pending review. So that means it's been sent over to us, to our team over here. We get the event, we double check everything, and then we can now publish it live on the website. So make sure that before you exit out of any of this stuff, the status is sent to pending review. That means we're going to take a look at it, and then we can publish it live. If you need to, if say you spelled something wrong or you need to change something, you can make the changes and then press submit for review again. And what it's going to do is just update the post. So you have the ability to do that. You can update it whenever you need to. If things change, if organizers drop out or whatever, you can get back on here. You can edit the event, and then you can press submit for review again, and it'll just update the post that we're reviewing. So that'll be totally fine.